Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Axi. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Axi is an Australian-based Forex and CFD broker that is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission and the Financial Conduct Authority. This broker was founded in 2007 and has a Trustpilot rating of 4.5, with more than 60,000 loyal clients. One of the perks of trading with Axi is that no commission fees are charged on trades, and spreads start low at 0 pips. Axi offers 3 types of accounts, as well as demo and swap-free accounts. You can fund your Axi account with several base currencies, including the Australian dollar, the euro, the Great British pound, the Hong Kong dollar, Japanese yen, and more. No minimum deposit is required to activate your live trading account, which is another great benefit of being an Axi client. As an Axi client, you can trade more than 160 instruments across multiple asset classes, such as Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, metals, indices and commodities. We recommend using Axi if you are a beginner because you can practice on a demo account and use the educational content provided. Axi is compatible with 3 popular platforms, including MetaTrader 4, Myfxbook, and PsyQuation. Autochartist is also provided for free on all accounts, along with free virtual private servers and expert advisor compatibility. Axi is a great option for beginners, professionals, wholesale traders, and also for traders who are interested in copy trading. The website is user-friendly, with all the important information provided on the homepage. You can learn more about the company, trading platform, markets, and accounts by simply choosing a topic from the menu bar. Or you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the homepage for a more specific list of items. As you scroll down the page, you will notice that Axi provides information about trading conditions, the platform supported, markets and spreads offered. Links to educational content and a list of awards received are also available. You can also find the latest market news on the Axi homepage. Axi makes use of one of the most popular and more widely used platforms in the trading community, which is MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 caters for both beginner traders and traders who are at a more professional level. Using the MetaTrader 4 platform with an Axi account also allows traders to access expert advisors, with the added benefit of being able to share strategies with others. Traders can also improve their strategies by using Autochartist, which is free of use to Axi clients, along with the use of PsyQuation. In addition to giving clients the option of using demo accounts and swap-free accounts, Axi offers 3 flexible trading accounts. All 3 accounts have no setup costs, incredibly tight spreads starting at 0 pips, and free virtual private servers. All Axi accounts also allow the use of expert advisors, PsyQuation Premium, Myfxbook, AutoTrade, and MetaTrader 4 Next Gen. The Standard and Pro account are suitable for all types of traders and require no minimum deposit. However, the Elite account is designed for wholesale and professional clients only, and a minimum deposit of $25,000 is required. The maximum leverage of the Standard and Pro accounts is capped at 30-1, but Elite clients can enjoy a maximum leverage of up to 400-1. For high volume trading, Axi accepts several funding methods and more than 10 base currencies are supported. Opening an account with Axi is simple and easy. Firstly, launch the Axi homepage, and then click on the Open Account button. Enter your email address and choose a password for your account. The next step would be to verify your email address, your account, and identity. Once your account has been set up and verified, you can simply start trading. Traders who wish to open a demo account can head over to the Trading Accounts section and choose Try a Free Demo. Once you have set up your account, the next step would be to download MetaTrader 4. A link will be provided on the account creation page or via email. You can either use the MetaTrader 4 web trader or download MetaTrader 4 for your device. After you have installed MetaTrader 4, the next step would be to log in. Log in with the credentials provided via email. And as easy as that, we're in. This is MetaTrader 4 on Axi. In the center you have your graph, on your left your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen a variety of tools and options that you can choose from. If you are new to trading and are interested in learning more about the MetaTrader platform functionality, be sure to check out the Axi Academy, which features a variety of MetaTrader 4 tutorial videos to help you get started. If you are a beginner trader, Axi is an exceptional choice. The Axi Academy is designed to teach new traders all about the fundamentals of trading through a variety of online courses, videos, ebooks, and written trading guides. You also have access to detailed expert market insights and access to market analysis, expert commentary, and essential market news updates. Also, if you are an Axi client, you get access to the London Stock Exchange accredited Knightsbridge Trading Academy courses, valued at up to $2,000. The Forex video tutorials feature instructional videos that help the trader step by step in learning how to use the MetaTrader 4 platform. Axi also provides seminars and webinars with which to aid beginner traders in sharpening their knowledge and trading skills. The Axi website comes equipped with charting tools, a newsfeed, and an economic calendar, which can be accessed through the MetaTrader 4 platform to ensure that traders are up to date with market news and movements. There is also a section which is dedicated to the viewing of live Forex spreads. Axi upholds its global reputation for reliability, trustworthiness, great customer service, and client satisfaction. In 2019 and 2020, Axi received the Best MetaTrader 4 Forex Broker by atosmarkets.com, the Best Forex Broker in Europe by forexawards.com, and the Best Forex Broker in the Middle East by forexawards.com in 2019. And in 2020, Axi received the Best EMEA Region Broker by ADVFN International Financial Awards of 2020. Overall, we are impressed by how flexible Axi's trading accounts are, and how low the spreads are on all their accounts. They have made an exceptional effort to give all their clients access to premium education, high-quality trading tools, free virtual private servers, and overall competitive trading conditions that are definitely in the client's favor. Not only can you activate your account with them without making a minimum deposit, but you don't have to pay commission fees on any of your trades, and the spreads are incredibly tight with Axi. Now that you know more about Axi, we hope that you have found a broker that is right for you. No matter how much experience you have as a trader, Axi has everything you need, from beginner-level trading courses and demo accounts, to highly advanced trading tools and VIP accounts for high-volume and professional traders. And that is our overview of Axi. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.